Empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water.
Hello everyone, and here I'm back doing the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. First of all, we are having high impact news at 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time, so be cautious at this timing. Now let's move to the charts. Now this is the monthly chart of Euro USD, and what we can see is that the price is now sweeping the previous monthly high, and we are moving into the downward side. So now let's move to the weeklies. As we move into the weeklies, what we see is that the price is sweeping the previous week's low, which makes this situation as a congestion zone. So the price action is not pretty much clear, which I had already said yesterday. So if you had traded yesterday, the day might be a little hard for you. So this is the daily chart now, and what we see is that the price had swept this low and moved into the upside direction. But yet, we are having this invalidation zone. If the price invalidates this high, then only I'll be considering that the price may move to take this high. Otherwise, this will be a congestion zone or a sideways market for me. So let's move to the 4 hours. So this is the 4-hour chart, and nothing seems to be clearing the context much. So for now, I'll be not trading into the market today. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.